Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to the ultimate guide of transforming your garden into the metal masterpieces. In this comprehensive video, we will explore innovative metal garden ideas will elevate your outdoor space to new heights, style, and functionality. From sleek metals planters, stunning sculpture, overly curated collection to inspire to side for every taste and budget. Learn how to incorporate industrial jigs to your land space designs and tasteful pieces like cotton steels, fire pit for the geometric. Discover the versatility of metal and creativity dynamic focal point for such as water features are integrated garden screens either you are scenes garden for the DIY enthusiast in video will provide you with the insight and inspiration you need create and inspiring methods garden that will have for all you neighbors for this great for tools and let's get started to crafting from metals garden is ready to take your outdoor space for the next level. Sleep and further in this video we will explore some incredible metals garden sculpture idea that will completely evolution your backyard houses from sleek and modern designs to vehicles and creations. There is something to every style and taste. Imagine walking through your garden surrounded by stunning metal artwork that spark conversion and ignite inspiration. Get ready to unleash your creativity and elevate your outdoors living experience with this inspiring metal garden sculpture. Space into the houses of styles and functionality from sleek steel sculpture for the integrating corporate gears and possible for endless picture woven flowers based on bodied elegant cotton steel plant and steeping stainless steel car features in sunlight imagine custom designs crafted from weather resistance aluminum providing both shade and the architectural sphere from metals versatility and strength you are infused your gardens with personality and charm crafting having to delight a sense of invite relaxation and ready to inspire for developing to the world of inspiring metal garden designs ignite your imagination and spark it connects outdoor masterpieces ready to take the outdoor space in the next levels look further in exploring some feasible metal garden sculpture that it will completely revolution of the backyard houses from sleek to modern designs, vehicles, and the aesthetic creation. There is something to every style and taste to imagines walking through your garden, surrounding to stunning metals artwork with spark conversion and ignite your inspiration. Get ready to unleash your creativity and elevate your outdoor living experience with this inspiring and garden sculpture. From from sleek steels and sculpture to integrate ironwork kits and possibles for endless picture vibrant flower beads, boardable and elegant cotton steels, planter and sticking stainless waters features in the sunlight. Imagine a custom designs crafted from either resistance aluminum, providing both shade and architecture. Flower from versatility and strength. You can infuse your gardens with charm, crafting, and heaven that delight the sense that invite to relaxation. Get ready to inspire. We develop into the world of inspiring metal garden designs, integrity, your imagination, and sparking your next outdoor masterpieces. From sleek metal sculpture that add a touch of modern flair to your garden houses to function yet still metal steels and above to provide support to combining plants while creating captivating focus point for possible to endless imagine to allure of metal fire pit surrounding to cozy setting perfect for gathering under the stairs vehicles metals with spinners dancing graceful of the breeze enhanced your land space through metals edgings that define your borders and style incorporate metals, plant and dyes, beds to the contemporary twist to traditional gardening and their ability to versatility metal element can withstand the elements with effortless complement to design's aesthetic. Get ready to transform your outdoor space from heaven beauty to sonifications. These were inspiring metal designs idea. Pictures with style to clutter, adding rustic flair to ornate gates, providing elegant entrance and added resistance. Aluminium furniture offering both style and functionality, incorporating metal elements such as transients. About of the planter cloud to creative landscaping designs stand the test of time. Explore the endless possibilities of metals, gardens, art from intricate lasers, cut panels, board geometric structure, enhancing your gardens with the touch of industrial chic. Either your preference, minimalist approach by the broad placement, incorporating metals into gardens designs, ensure impress and inspire your year to come. So unless your creativity and let your garden shine with these vast metals gardens idea. Wonderfuls with these incredible ideas from sleek steel sculpture and memorizing metal. Found these limit creativity you can slay. Infuse your outdoor space, picture elegant board with intricate metalwork, providing both beauty and structure to your garden houses. Explore the enhancing world of metal planters, offering a modern twist. Traditional gardening imagines gentle trickles to hoppers, waterfalls, adding smoothing ambience to your backyard retreat. With these innovative metal garden ideas, to you elevate your outdoor with the experience of new height, creating space that truly was inspiring. These architecture border to any serve as training occupants but also provide structure support to climbing plants, fostering and the garden houses crafted from durable metals like cotton, steels and like the frosting of the word style garden houses crafted from durable metals, cotton, steels and stainless steel from structure, bows, and screens to prevent longevity and minimalism maintains imagine to play the light of shadow and sun dance of these integrate metals tackles latic works crafting of the enhancing across the gardens with customizable re- revolution into invites of the elevate your outdoors heaven with style to sonification say goodbye to the conventional boundaries and embrace of the endless possibilities of metal mercy where from maid's function to symphony of biotechnical beauty. Welcome to the futures of gardening where innovation blooms every corner holds a promise to inspiring allure. We will explore unique projects that will add a personality